Okay, good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the problems on circles. Okay, so problems on circles. Okay, circles. Problem solving. Problem solving. Problem solving. First problem. Okay. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle represents represents a circle with radius 6, radius 6, and find C. Then find C and find the value of C. Okay, solution. Okay, so comparing the given equation with general equation. Okay, the general equation. Right. So general equation is so x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation. So comparing the given equation with the general equation. Okay. So x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, what is the 2g value? So 2g is equal to minus 4 and 2f is equal to 6 and c is equal to c. Okay. So then g is equal to minus 4 by 2 and f is equal to 6 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to 3. Okay. So therefore radius given radius is given radius r is equal to how much? 6. Therefore radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. Okay. b square plus f square minus c. Okay. So square root of g means minus 2 whole square plus f is equal to 3 whole square minus c. We have c in the place of c. This is equal to given radius 6. Okay. So squaring on both sides we have how much? 4 plus 9 minus c is equal to 36. Okay. Okay. 4 plus 9 13. Okay. So 13 minus c is equal to 36. Therefore c is equal to 13 minus 36. Therefore c is equal to minus 23. Okay. Minus 23. So c is equal to minus 23. Right. Okay. We will do next problem. Right. Okay, second one. Okay, second problem. Find the equation of the circles. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle for which the given points are the given points are the end points of the diameter. The end point of the end points of the diameter. The end points of the diameter. Okay. So the given points are end points of the diameter. Okay. So first one, 2 are given. 2 bits are given, 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 6. So this is one question. And another question is minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4. Okay, 2 bits are given here. So solution, first bit, given points. Given points are 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 6. So this is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2. Okay. So equation of circle. Equation of circle. Is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay. So x minus x1 in the place of 1. So x minus x1 means 1 into x minus x2. x2 is 4. Okay. Plus y minus y1 in the place of y1 there is 2 into y minus y2. y2 is 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 2 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. Right. So multiplying with x minus 1 and x minus 4, you get x square minus 1x minus 4x minus 5x and minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Okay. Plus y into y square minus 2y minus 6y minus 8y minus 2 into minus 6, so plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus y square minus 5x minus 8y minus 8y plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is the circle equation which having the endpoints of the diameter. Okay. So this is the given. So 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 6, 2 points are given. So end points of the diameter. So that is end points of the diameter A, B. So this is 1 comma 2. This is 4 comma 6. This is 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 6. Now, so this is end points of the diameter. So this is the equation of the circle. Okay. Okay. Next, another bit is also there. Right. So second one. So I will rub this. We will solve the second one. Okay. So what is the second one here? Minus 4 comma 3. Given points are minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4. So this is second one. Okay. So same formula is there. Okay. So substituting the given points in the formula. Okay. Same here. What is here? Here this is okay. The next question. So substituting the given points in the formula equation. Okay, x minus x1. So this is x minus x1 minus of minus 4. So this is plus 4 x plus 4 into x minus x2. x2 is my 3. So this is x minus 3 plus y minus y1 is minus 3 and y minus y2, y2 is minus 4, so that is plus 4 is equal to 0. So multiplying x plus 4 with x minus 3, I have x square plus 4x minus 3x. So plus x plus 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus y square minus 3y plus 4y. So this is plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 12 minus 24 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. So when the points are 4, 6, okay, here is 3, minus 4. This B, so it's minus 4, 3. So this is 3, minus 4. 3, minus 4. Okay. So the two endpoints of diameter are given. We can find the equation of the circle like this. Okay, now. We will discuss another problems. Right. Next problem. Okay. Next, third problem. Parametric equations. Next, third one. So obtain the parametric equations. Obtain the parametric equations. Obtain the parametric equations of the following circles. Of the following circles. Okay. So first one, x square plus y square is equal to 4. This is given. Okay. So we can write the parametric equations. Parametric equations are parametric equations. X is equal minus plus r cos theta and y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta. Okay. So here center given. So center 0, 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 plus r cos theta, y is equal to 0 plus r sin theta. But here r is equal to 2. Okay. So Therefore x is equal to 2 cos theta and y is equal to 2 sin theta. Okay, so this is equal to r square. So r is equal to 2 here. Okay, so center 0 0 and r is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta are the parametric equations. Okay, now right. So parametric equations. We will do the second one. Next second one. Second one. Okay. The next one. Four into x square plus y square is equal to 9. So this was given. 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 9. Find the parametric equations of the circle. Okay. What is the center here? Center. So this equation should be transformed into x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. Okay. So this is equal to 3 by 2 whole square. So therefore C is equal to center 0 0 and R is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So center 0 0 and R is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore parametric equations x is equal to 0 plus 3 by 2 cos theta and y is equal 0 plus 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay. Therefore x is equal to 3 by 2 cos theta and y is equal to 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay. So these are the parametric equations of the circle. 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 9. Okay. Okay, we will do the next problem, right? Next one. Okay, now I will wrap this, right? Next one. Okay. Third question. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. Okay. So find the parametric equations of the circle. Parametric equations. Okay, what is the formula here? X minus h whole square. So this is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay, so h comma k is the center. Therefore, center is h comma k is equal to 3 comma 4. Okay, and r is equal to 8. R is equal to 8. Therefore, parametric equations. So, parametric equations. Parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Okay. So h comma k is the center. Okay, na? So x is equal to h is equal to 3 plus what is r here? R radius 8. 3 plus 8 cos theta and y is equal to 4 plus 8 sin theta. Okay, na? So x is equal to 3 plus 8 cos theta and y is equal to 4 plus 8 sin theta. So this is the parametric equation of the circle, right? Okay. So the given equation is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So therefore h is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4. Okay. So center h comma k. The parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So x is equal to 3 plus 8 cos theta, y is equal to 4 plus 8 sin theta. Okay. Right. We will go to another problem. Okay. Shall we go to another problem? Okay. So different types of circle equations are given. For these different types of circle equations, we can obtain the parametric equations. Okay, so now we will consider the fourth example. So this is fourth type of equation. Fourth type of equation. Okay, right. Fourth type of equation. You can next problem. Okay, we will go to the next problem. Next fourth one, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So the equation was given in the form, the general equation, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So we can find the g center minus g comma minus f and radius also we can find for this equation. Okay. So comparing general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore 2g is equal to how much? Minus 4. Okay. And 2f is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 12. Therefore g is equal to minus 4 by 2. So that is minus 2 and f is equal to minus 6 by 2 minus 3 and c is equal to minus 12. Okay. Therefore, what is the radius r? R is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay. So this is equal to square root of g square means minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 f minus 3 whole square minus of minus 12. Okay. So this is equal to 5 root 25 4 plus 9 13 plus 12 25 root 25. Okay. This is equal to 5. So radius r is equal to 5. Okay. So center is minus g comma minus f. Okay. So g is equal to minus 2. Therefore minus c is equal to 2. Minus f is equal to minus 3. Therefore minus f is equal to 3. Okay. 2 comma 3. Right. Therefore parametric equations are x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta comma y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta. Okay. So therefore x is equal to minus g here 2 plus what is radius r 5 cos theta comma y is equal to minus f. So minus f is equal to 3 plus r radius 5 sin theta. Okay. So this is the parametric equations of the circle. Okay. So now we find the parametric equations. We obtain the parametric equations for different types of circle equations are given. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. So in the same way, you can solve some problems which are given in the exercise. Right. Okay. So in this class, we are discussing the two types of problems. So that is when 2 points, endpoints of diameter are given. So we can use the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. And parametric equations. Obtain the parametric equations. So different types of circle equations, we can obtain the parametric equations. Okay. So whichever circle equation was given, we can obtain the parametric equations. Okay, like this. So you go through the textbook exercise and you do some examples for practice. Okay, for practice purpose. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you, Aranda. So now this is the end of the class today. Okay, we'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, Aranda.